Alright, Kev, what is this? Oh! Part of it. Yup, shit. Holy shit. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a Limatik about to bite. We are here in Nueva Ecija, Mount Labi. Thank you, Marty, for helping us arrange this. It's a lot of work actually to get here. And beautiful day today. It's been raining for so long, for a couple of weeks, and the rare times doesn't rain, it's today. So we're pretty excited, but I heard the trail is still wet. I don't mind. It's gonna be a lot of Limatiks. If you're not familiar with Limatiks, those are blood leeches. It's no big deal. We're just happy to be here, somewhere far. It's been a while since we traveled somewhere far. Mount Labi is a newly opened destination. It's part of the 5,500 hectare Doña Aurora Memorial National Park, which is named after the wife of ex-President Manuel Quezon, which was ambushed in the area, was around 1949 if I'm not mistaken. Here, so the rated is level 7. So level 7 is a pretty much advanced level. 1 being the easiest, 9 being the hardest. So 7 is quite something to, you know, not underestimate. So here I would see what we can do, but usually the people who climb here are hikers. We plan to do fast pace, so it's either to do camp or day trips. So in our case, they said like we're the first people who's gonna try to do fast, but it's not about bragging. We just want to go home early because it's a day trip and we were starting late, so we want to finish early. And good. Hope you enjoy this video. Currently rated level 7 of 9 as being a technical trail for hiking. It's just a little over 11 kilometers, but with a 1,100 meter plus of elevation gain. Hello, hello! Meet Daryl! What the? Chorus boys! Chorus boys! Salamat Kuya Pete sa pag-drive mo as usual. Ilan years na tayo? 6 years na tayong kasama, yes. So we're in the mid group and we are just watching out for some leeches on the road. Everything is like mushy. Rained here yesterday, so just being careful about it. Hopefully we don't encounter any leeches. Whitey. This one's wow, that's all lenticular. Okay, right after we left the towers comes the technical park. It is also wet. So we suspect that there's gonna be a lot of Limatiks here. I can't complain. Trail is beautiful. It's so lush.
You're going up. Simon, how you doing?
Cool, man. It's technical and steep.
Pretty
And
steep.
we like it.
I love it. We're going up.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's a Limatik about to bite.
Oh shit, it's so steep. This dog is going ahead of me. Go, go, go.
Alright, Kev, what is this? Oh!
Just came from the summit, a little over 5 kilometers, and for it, I must say it's very cold, which is nice.
Look at that, look at that.
And I love the vegetation, the foliage, so nice. Look at this. Look at the moss, so nice. Look at this. So it's mostly covered mossy forest, pitcher plants. Thorny plants too, and a lot of obstacles here. See, walk. It's gonna give you a hard time, but lucky for us, we're wearing trail running gear, so we're more agile, more flexible. You can move faster. and we're glad we did. We just have less protections against leeches, but that's okay. We've come prepared mentally. It's not like we brought something to prevent it, so you can't really prevent it. And yet, it's paying dividends, you know, for us to decide to pack light, so we can move light, move fast.
Come on, old man. I'm injured. Ano nangyari sa'yo?
Hindi ko alam eh. Pili ko na nga ano.
MCL?
Ngalay lang.
So we are trying to rescue Kevin. Keiko is having Kevin over there. A little bit of injury, but we're good. We're at kilometer 9. We're like 200 meters left to Lampova, and Kevin's bleeding over there. Show the skin. Bleeding.
Stop bleeding!
Leech. So it's an anticoagulant that's gonna keep bleeding until November 6th. He was shot by a leech. Shot to the head. Alright, so yeah, everybody's still okay. She's also bleeding.
We were stabbed.
She stabbed herself, but yeah. Good stuff, leeches. Alright, leeches to people 0.
Ew. Hey Darren, here's our dog. Accompanied us along the way. It's his first sip of water. Here we have Kervin. Hey Kervin. That's our guide over there. Hi Kuya.
I'm with Kuya. Hey, we are getting the dog again because the dog fell asleep and he might get lost when he wakes up, so we're gonna go catch him. Unfortunately, after 20 minutes of searching, seems like the dog disappeared. Yeah, so we looked around the river where he stayed here in this little cabana furnace or clay furnace, and I guess we'll still have to let the guides know to check on the dog because they followed us here. Okay. All right. Hachiko was a good pal. I really miss him.
and it's time I change. I've seen this veneer from what you taught me, dear.